Welcome to our deep dive into the volatility of the Indian stock market, especially in the context of the ongoing Iran-USA war. Global events often send shockwaves through financial markets, and the Indian market is no exception. Today, we'll explore why tensions between Iran and the USA have such a pronounced effect on Indian stocks and what factors contribute to this heightened volatility. Let's begin by understanding the interconnectedness of global economy and how Indian stock market doesn't operate in isolation. It's deeply connected to global financial system. When a major geopolitical event like the Iran-USA war occurs, it triggers uncertainty worldwide. Investors across the globe react, often pulling money out of emerging markets like India to seek safer assets. This interconnectedness means that even distant wars can cause immediate reactions in Indian stocks as global investors adjust their portfolios in response to perceived risk. One of the most direct links between the Iran-USA conflict and the Indian market is oil. India imports a significant portion of its oil, and any disruption in the Middle East can send oil prices soaring. Higher oil prices increase costs for Indian companies and consumers, leading to inflation and reduced corporate profits. This, in turn, spooks investors and adds to market volatility as they anticipate lower earnings and higher expenses. Rupee's value is also affected during international crises. As oil prices rise, India's trade deficit widens, putting pressure on the rupee. A weaker rupee makes imports more expensive and can lead to capital outflows as foreign investors worry about currency risk. This adds another layer of uncertainty to the stock market, causing further swings in prices. Foreign institutional investors first play a major role in the Indian stock market. During times of global uncertainty, FII often withdraw funds from riskier markets like India and move them to safer assets, such as US Treasury bonds or gold. This sudden outflow of capital can lead to sharp declines in stock prices and increased volatility as domestic investors react to the changing landscape. All sectors are affected equally. Industries like aviation, transport and chemicals, which rely heavily on oil, feel the pinch more acutely. Conversely, sectors less dependent on oil or with more domestic focus may be relatively insulated. This uneven impact causes sectoral rotation, where investors move money between sectors, adding to overall market volatility. Market volatility is often amplified by investor psychology. News of war or conflict can trigger panic selling, as investors rush to cut losses. This herd mentality can lead to sharp short-term drops in stock prices, even if the underlying fundamentals haven't changed significantly. Understanding this psychological aspect is key to grasping why markets react so strongly to global events. The role of media cannot be underestimated. Continuous coverage of the Iran-USA conflict, with dramatic headlines and expert opinions, can fuel uncertainty and fear among investors. This constant stream of information often leads to overreaction, with markets swinging wildly on news updates, regardless of their actual impact on fundamentals. During periods of heightened volatility, liquidity in the market can dry up. Fewer buyers and sellers mean that even small trades can cause large price movements. This lack of liquidity makes it harder for investors to enter or exit positions without affecting prices, further increasing volatility and risk. The Indian government and the Reserve Bank of India often step in to stabilize markets during crises. They may adjust interest rates, intervene in currency markets, or announce policy measures to reassure investors. While these actions can calm nerves temporarily, their effectiveness depends on the scale and duration of the global conflict. This isn't the first time global conflicts have rattled the Indian market. Past events, such as the Gulf War or US-Iran tension, have shown similar patterns of volatility. By studying these historical precedents, investors can better understand current market reaction and anticipate possible outcomes. In times of uncertainty, investors often flock to safe haven assets like gold, US dollars, or government bonds. This shift can lead to outflows from equity, especially in emerging markets like India. As money moves to perceived safer investments, stock prices can fall further, intensifying volatility. Despite sharp declines during crises, markets often recover once uncertainty fades or a resolution is in sight. Investors who remain patient and avoid panic selling may benefit from eventual rebounds. Understanding these recovery patterns can help investors make informed decisions during volatile times. While short-term volatility can be unsettling, it's important to maintain a long-term perspective. The Indian economy has weathered many storms and continues to grow. Investors who focus on fundamentals and avoid emotional decisions are more likely to achieve their financial goals despite temporary market turbulence. Summary: the volatility in the Indian stock market during the Iran-USA war is driven by a mix of global interconnectedness, oil price shocks, currency fluctuation, and investor psychology. While these factors can cause sharp swings, history shows that markets eventually stabilize. Staying informed, focusing on the long term, and understanding the underlying causes can help investors navigate these turbulent times with greater confidence.